Do you have a favorite number? I do. Euler's number, though it wasn't actually discovered by Leonard Euler, is approximately equal to 2.718, though just like pi, it's irrational, meaning it never ends. You may wonder, what's the big deal? Why does some infinite string of decimals get a fancy name like e? The big deal is that this number seems to come up nearly everywhere in math. When mathematicians long ago were doing work and discovering patterns that hadn't yet been defined, they realized this one irrational number just kept popping up. Specifically, Jacob Bernoulli realized when working with continuous compounding interest that over time a quantity of money will reach e to the quantity of the rate times the amount of time spent building interest times the initial amount of money. Bernoulli is often credited with actually discovering the number e. It was just Euler who popularized its use and name. Just as it's used to calculate growth, e can also be used to calculate decay, as with the half-lives of radioactive elements. Euler's number is so special it even gets its own log base, natural log. And in calculus, the derivative of the natural log of x is equal to 1 over x. What's amazing to me is that Euler's number has such a simple definition. E equals the limit as n approaches infinity of 1 plus 1 over n to the nth power. It's also equal to the infinite sum with k beginning at 0 of 1 over k factorial. What's even crazier though is e to the power of I times pi plus 1 equals 0. Everything is connected. If you ever wondered to yourself during math class, when on earth am I ever going to use this in the real world, you oftentimes have a point. However, the number e is essential to understanding exponential growth, which is seen every day from countries' population growth to the growth of the money in your own bank account. So, would you say you have a favorite number? It doesn't have to be e, but I think it's a pretty cool one.